Good morning, everybody. I'm Teresa Perrin, and this is my stock market watch list for Friday, November 4th, 2022. Please remember, nothing I say is financial advice. Always do your own DD. Let's get started. If you could, smash that like button for me. I'd greatly appreciate it. All right, guys. FUBO has earnings today, and last time they had earnings, they came quite close to doubling in price, if not more than doubling in price. On the day, I think they overall did, but pulled back just slightly under. So guys, I do expect big things from FUBO earnings if they're as great as they were last quarter. If you agree with me, put a soccer ball or any kind of sports ball in the chat. ET, Energy Transfer. All right, guys, today is the last day to buy this stock to get the dividend. So if you buy it by today, you should receive that quarterly dividend. And I do believe that ET makes a move to the upside along with all energy plays today. CVNA, Carvana. All right, guys. Well, I hate to say it, but earnings obviously were horrible the quarter before, so I didn't expect that much from them, but I thought if they said one good thing that it would move it, because at one point this stock was $330. It has over 40% short interest, and Fintel is showing us that the institutional ownership is 129%, along with 22 or something like that percent of insiders. Now, guys, in order to confirm that, I would have to go through the hundreds of individual owners, and I don't have time for that. However, I do believe that obviously if there's anywhere even half as much as that for institutional ownership, this being a heavily traded retail stock, that the opportunity for this to squeeze is massive. So I am watching this for a move up today to bounce off of these earning lows. I think it's going to create a great opportunity for those still short to buy it back. Meta. Okay, guys, this I've been watching all week to look for a move up. See this W that formed on this chart yesterday? It started to make moves and bam, we get the announcement that one of their huge executives is leaving to go to Snapchat. And it brought the price back down. However, max pain today is $95. So you better believe that the market makers are going to do everything in their power to try to bring this up to $95. And I do believe we see some kind of a rebound rally today, especially because, guys, the futures are green, as you can tell from the cover of this. So the futures are green. Oil is green. I just believe it's going to be a green day overall, unless I think we're getting job numbers in a half an hour, unless that crashes everything. But I don't expect it. I don't know if it's job. We're getting some kind of numbers in about a half an hour, I think. PBR. Okay, guys. PBR had some interesting stuff happening yesterday, and originally they were set to have earnings today. I saw that it moved, but then again, I see that it was put back on the calendar for today. So I'm quite confused. Not sure if their earnings are actually today or if they've been moved. So at any rate, I did see phantom prints yesterday that were up to 1470 or something like that off the top of my head. I can't remember exactly, but they were much higher than they are right now. And I do believe they made an announcement regarding a dividend, and I think that we're going to see this head higher today. NEO. Okay, guys, not just NEO. Alibaba, JD, all of these Asian stocks are just running rapidly. Bob's up like $6, I think, in pre-market. So I would keep your eyes on those for great day trading opportunities. Like I said, Baba up 664 this morning, and that was before 7 a.m. because my screen's black, so that's when I start doing research on this, guys. Anyways, I think that we're going to see nice runs in some of these Asian names today that have been beat down bad. Now, Roku crashed on earnings yesterday. Then you saw a rally, kind of like what I'm expecting to see in Carvana today, guys. Max pain is at $55 for Roku. So I do expect it to move to the upside, continuing this move up. Will it try to fill the gap today at 57 something? Quite possibly. SNTG, again, this is another Asian stock, financial stock that's been beat down badly, and it is moving in the pre-market, guys. It was up over $5 at my last check before recording this. So something crazy is going on with this. Like all other Asian stocks, it can move rapidly. ACOR. Okay, guys, this has had a wild run, and as you know, it easily goes above that $1 mark. Now, it pulled back on earnings, and earnings, if you look at it overall, I didn't think it was bad. But clearly it didn't meet Wall Street's expectations, so it pulled back. But guys, it's starting to trend upwards again, and I do believe that we closed the week above $1. Kava. All right. Cup and handle, beautiful. I'm showing you the 3-month chart because we started this breakout yesterday right at market close, and I do believe that this continues today. The chart is gorgeous, guys, and they have earnings coming up. It's either next week or the week after. HAL. Oh, God. Beautiful chart again, guys. It is actually up in pre-market. It wasn't at the time I took this. So I wanted to show you this beautiful breakout. As you know, guys, I am a fan of HAL and have been calling it out since way down here. So I think that we see the continuation of that run today. Now, Mullen. Mullen has had a wild ride, guys. These short sellers are brutal. They're not stopping. I do expect to see a rebound rally in Mullen today, though. Trying to bring it closer to that 50-cent mark. Obviously, market makers don't want those puts to have that kind of gain either. So, ILAG. All right, guys. ILAG has been another wild one. It keeps having strange breakouts in after hours during the day that it pull right back down. Again, I expect to see a move to the upside in ILAG. I'd like to see it close above $3 this week to get confirmation. FWBI, you can check out my video on that I made earlier this week. It got all the way up to like $1.50-ish and pulled all the way back down under $1. Guys, I don't think this play is anywhere near done, and I think that we're going to see a substantial move in FWBI over the coming weeks. So it's on my high watch list. AVCT, guys, finally yesterday, the one day that I don't think I've talked about it for a couple days because I was waiting to see a breakout from this downside move, which we got yesterday. As you can see, it's trying to make a little flag here, and I expect to see a breakout again today. Hopefully this moves to the upside. I would like to see it get above $1.30 and hold for close. SONN, oh God, guys, this thing has been brutal. Up, down, up, down. Well, we're back in that downtrend. However, I am watching to see, it looks like a big cup and handle if you look at the chart. So I'm looking to see if we get a break to the upside from that pattern today. Cassava Science. Sava, guys, has been making wild moves over the last couple of days, this entire week, actually, and I do expect we see some more movement, potentially to the upside in this stock. I know that they have earnings coming up, so I think some shorts are trying to cover, and that's these bumps that we're getting, and then they get pulled back down, and then another bump, so it's a great stock to trade. Novavax. Novavax, guys, was pulled down, I have no idea, I think just with the overall market, but it's starting to make moves back to the upside. It's back above $20, and it looks like it's going to have a nice move today to the upside. Comms. This one is another one that's been kind of wild. It's back down in that 6.5-cent range. As you can see, it's making a pennant, and I want to see where it breaks out from this pennant. My guess is it's going to go to the upside, guys, but who knows? This market has been very crazy, but I'm watching this, see if it can break back above that $8 and close higher for the week. VRAX. Guys, this chart was looking gorgeous, and they did an offering, of course. So it's down to 177. It's trying to find support there. I'm looking to see if it gets a bounce, and it can be a potential rebound rally. We'll see. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. You can always play SPY in either direction. Right now, things are green, but this market's been crazy. Green 1 minute, red the next, green the next. It's just up and down. So find whatever's best for you. Just protect your money. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.